I'm Gunjan. I'm a BioBuilder intern. I'm from Drake and I'm a rising senior at Pioneer Charter School of Science 2. It's so nice to meet you. So I didn't have any labs to do at all at school. We had no experience at all, and that was really frustrating me a lot. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go find something to do on my own. And then I found the high school apprenticeship challenge that they were conducting over during spring. So I applied for it, and fortunately I got in. And then after the program ended, they offered me an internship during the summer. So that's how I became an intern. I come in at 9, and whenever I come in, I always put my bag down, get everything set, and then I create a to-do list on what to do during the day with my mentor. Her name is Hiroko. She's amazing. After that, I always check on my plates if I have anything growing or how my experiments are growing so far, and then if we have any aliquoting to do in the morning or for any programs coming up. So just having a mentor here to really explain to me what was happening, and just having visuals and actually doing experiments and seeing the reactions. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do research when I was older, but now I've got some research experience because of this internship, and I hope to, in college, do biology or maybe chemistry alongside it. I don't exactly know what career I want to go into, but I'm just keeping an open mind and just trying to explore my options right now.